This is going to be another drawing for the celebration day of the Muslim people, the Eid Mubarak. So you can see here I'm just drawing a hand just inclined. So this is the starting point of the drawing and the hand is going to be here. Okay, so you can see the V-shaped curves here. Okay, here is the end and you can see the fingers. Okay, and the another body you can see another curved line looks like this. And the curved line is coming up here. Okay, so here's the end point and you can see the hands just on the other side. All right, so there's the primary combinations. Here you can put the collar, draw a straight line here, and that guy's hand is just coming up on the other side. You can see. Okay, okay, and the long dress. All right, it's like this one at the bottom here, another dress of that guy that's coming up here. Okay, so you can see the hands, now his body. So extend these lines here and you can see the collars. Okay, so the graphical presentations for the face, and he's wearing a cap that looks like a graphical presentation. So I'm combining the drawings here, and he is looking this side and this guy is looking on the other side. So we're going to see the back side of the head here. Okay, and also he is wearing a cap. Okay, so there's the idea. Now we're going to put the legs at the bottom. So there's the pajama he's wearing, and the legs you can see at the bottom, just a simple presentations of the legs. And also this guy, he's also wearing pajama, and another leg you can see here. So that looks like the other side. Okay, and also his leg is on the other side. Let's put them on the ground. If you like, you can just add the the eyes and the mouth and the lips here. Okay, but let's try to keep it as simple as possible. So you can add some hatches for clearly defining the outlines of the drawings. All right, so this is a simple drawing of the celebrations of the Eid day. So this is called the Eid Mubarak, EID. Very simple, very simple. Just do practice at home and the drawing is going to be better. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.